Welcome to the CommsOffice Today screen demo. After you start CommsOffice, you will be asked to log in using the login window. Enter a username and password. CommsOffice will remember the username, but it will always request a password. Once you've logged in, you will be presented with the Today screen. As telephone calls are received and made, the Today charts populate in real time. Let's take a more detailed look at the charts. Starting with the Calls by Site Today chart. This chart shows call volumes for the site in real time. Each bar represents a particular call style. If you place the cursor over the bars, you will see call counts for that particular call style. This blue bar shows 8 internal calls. This orange bar shows 20 incoming calls. This red bar shows 8 abandoned incoming calls. Let's take a look at some of the other charts on the Today screen. This chart shows how many calls each extension has made, received or not answered. Moving the cursor over extension bars shows in real time the number of calls made, received and unanswered. Chart colours can be configured to user preference. The orange section shows Jeremy has received 6 incoming calls. The green section shows Jeremy has made 6 outgoing calls. The blue section shows Jeremy has made or received 3 internal calls. Let's look at some more charts on the Today screen. This chart shows how many external calls have been made, received or not answered. The green section shows 16 outgoing calls from trunk line 5. The orange section shows 1 incoming call on trunk line 5. The orange section shows 17 incoming calls on trunk line 3. The green section shows 2 outgoing calls from trunk line 3. The red section shows 7 incoming abandoned calls for trunk line 3. Let's look at the calls by department chart. This chart shows call counts for extensions grouped into departments. The orange section shows 6 incoming calls for the accounts department. The green section shows 6 outgoing calls for the accounts department. The red section shows 1 abandoned incoming call for the accounts department. The blue section shows 3 internal calls for the accounts department. This concludes the Today screen demo. Thank you for watching.